Adjustment layers are really useful to apply an effect to multiple video clips on your timeline. To create an adjustment layer, go to File, New, Adjustment Layer. A new window will appear with the adjustment layer settings. Check that these are the same as your sequence settings, then click OK. Add this adjustment layer to a video channel above your clips in the timeline and drag to extend it to cover all of the clips you want to apply the effect to. Any effect you add to the adjustment layer will be applied to any clip beneath it. This is commonly used for color grading. For example, we can apply the Lumetri Color effect to the adjustment layer, and changes will be applied to all of our clips in the timeline. You can also use adjustment layers to add other effects, for example, such as blur.